Want to start online trading but don't know where to begin? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore 5 essential steps to kickstart your journey into the fascinating world of online trading. First and foremost, educate yourself. Knowledge, as they say, is power. The world of trading is complex, filled with various financial instruments, trading strategies, and market dynamics. It's not something you can wade into without a solid understanding. So, before taking that initial plunge, take the time to learn. There are plenty of resources out there, from books to online courses, that can provide you with the foundation you need. Next, set clear objectives. What are you aiming for? Quick, short-term gains or long-term wealth accumulation? Your goals will define your trading decisions. It's important to know your risk tolerance as well. Remember, the higher the risk, the higher the potential returns, but also the greater the potential losses. Thirdly, manage your risk. The goal of trading is not just to make profits, but also to protect your capital. Implement risk management techniques, such as setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, and diversifying your portfolio to spread the risk. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Fourth, stay informed. The financial market is dynamic and constantly changing. New market news, economic indicators, and company updates roll out every day. Staying updated on these changes will not only empower you to make informed decisions, but also seize opportunities as they arise. Last but not least, practice patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will be your successful trading career. The market might test your patience and discipline time and again, but remember, success in trading, like in any other field, takes time and dedication. So, to sum up, the 5 steps to kickstart your trading journey are: educate yourself, set clear objectives, manage your risk, stay informed, and practice patience. With these in your arsenal, you're well on your way to navigating the world of online trading. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and you've just taken that first step. Happy trading!